Hi, childrens. How are you? This is your Zenith ma'am. I hope you are all very fine and good in your home with your family members. Obey your parents what they are saying to you. Okay, eat healthy food, drink more water, and do the homeworks regularly what we are giving to you. Okay, dears. Usually, I'll start my class with one quote. Today also I'm going to start with one quote. The quote is, life is an adventure, take risk. While reading this quote, you will understand the meaning. So our life is like an adventure. Many people will say, I won't, I can't, I couldn't, I never, like that. In that situation, we can face more fears, problem, etc. In order to overcome from those things, we need to take some risk over it. By taking a risk, we can get a successful and happy life over it. Okay? From this quote, anybody guess what is our today's topic? Very good. It's adventure. We can get adventure in many fields. Today I am going to tell about the adventure sports. What is the topic is adventure sports. So what do you mean by adventure? Adventure means an experience or event that is very unusual or exciting or dangerous or taking some risk. That is called adventure. So what is the meaning of sports? Sports means a physical games or activity that we do for exercise for because of our enjoyment. So adventure sports together, what is the meaning means taking risk to get a thrillness through sports. Okay, there are many adventures are there like cycling, scuba diving, rafting, heli-skiing, paragliding. Many adventure sports are available. Okay, dears, moving to our thing sheet. So this is our thing sheet, adventure sports. So first Roman is observe the picture and write the sport name by using hints. Using the hints we have to find what is the adventure sports name is. Okay. So see the first one. So what is the adventure sports name is? First one is rafting. What is that? Rafting. RAFTING, rafting. So I think you are very excited to see the rafting video here. So this rafting adventure sport is a recreational outdoor activities which use an inflatable raft to navigate a river or other water body of water. So what is the spelling of rafting is RAFTING. What is the benefit of this rafting means it gets a thrill of adventure outdoor and we get a fresh air, reduce stress, strengthens our muscles. It builds up a very good team coordination. Okay, so moving to our second adventure sports. Anybody know what is the chorus? First see what is this? Hang gliding. What is the adventure name is? Hang gliding. So this adventure sports is an air sport. Okay, air sports in which a pilot flies a light and non-monitorized food launch heavier than the aircraft. It is made up of aluminum alloy or composite frame covered with a synthetic sailcloth to form a wing. Okay, what is the benefit of this hang gliding means? It strengthens our arm muscles. Okay, clears a lot of stress on the arms. Clear? So moving to third one. What is this? The adventure sports name is caving. Okay, caving.
Caving is an adventure sport which entails the exploration of wild cave systems, potholes and abandoned mines.
What is the adventure name is? Caving or carving. Okay, carving sports, adventure sports or caving. Okay, caving is somewhat a quicker adventure activity that involves discovering about the cave items. What are the things are available in the cave, like that they are go and search and get some adventure from that adventure sports. So what is the benefit of this? Carving means it gives more motivation, mental strength and physical strength. Okay, caving is one of the most mentally challenging adventure sports. Okay, next, fourth one. What is this? Any idea? The adventure sport name is bungee jump. What is that? Bungee jump. Have you are enjoying to see this video of each adventure sports? Yes, I know you are all enjoying. So what is the adventure name is bungee jump. Okay, this adventure sports, people will jump from higher ground such as a bridge with an elastic rope tied to their ankles to stop them from hitting the ground. Okay, so what is the benefit of doing this adventure sports means? It forces you to jump to face our fears, to overcome our fears. It teaches you to push through our fears and turn into a courage person. Okay, so next, fifth one. What is the name of this adventure sports is paragliding. Have you all seen this adventure? Okay, paragliding. This adventure sports is a recreational and competitive adventure sports. Okay, it is made up of lightweight, free flying, foot launched glider aircraft. Okay, what is the benefit of doing this adventure sport is it builds a strong core which helps with balance, posture, we get some stability, strengthens your body, reduces the risk of injury during the exercise and some activities. Okay, next, the sixth one is What is the name of this adventure sport? Is water skiing. What is that? Water skiing. Skiing. Okay, it is a surface water sport in which an individual is pulled behind a boat or a cable over a body of water. Okay, related sports, the same sports like wakeboarding, kneeboarding, tubbing, like that. What is the benefit of this water skiing? Means it strengthens our muscles. 1 hour of water skiing can burn up to 400 calories. Okay, core, it gives more core strength, easy on the joints. Okay, so clear. What is the 7th one? Is what is the adventure sports? Anybody can guess? That is a helicopter in app. One man is going skiing, so heli skiing. Ready to see the video?
Confidence on.
What is the name of this adventure sport? Is heli skiing. What is that? Heli skiing. It is a surface water sports. Okay, it is a upper surface sports. It is a type of backcountry skiing or free riding which involves a helicopter to access remote areas and slopes of a snow. Okay, what is the benefit of doing this adventure sport? Is it helps in flexibility. It helps to develop our courageousness and braveness. Okay, so moving to 8th one. What is this? One shark is one man. I think he is in under sea, like that. Okay, see the video. What is the adventure sport name? Is scuba diving. What is that? Scuba diving. What is the adventure name? Is scuba diving. Okay, this, it is an activity where people can swim in underwater for a long time using a tank filled with compressed air. A tank is a large metal cylinder made up of a steel or aluminum. Okay, wow. What is the benefit of this scuba diving? Means it improves blood pressure, blood circulation, and relieve stress, concentration. It improves more concentration power and reduces our blood pressures. Okay, so last this Roman last one is, what is it? It is a mountain. One man is climbing. So what is the adventure name? Is mountain climbing. Very good.
Only the best of the best have ever summited K2.
What is the sports name? Is very good. Mountain climbing. So mountain climbing, it may involve hiking, rock climbing. It is same as rock climbing, as well as crossing glaciers. Okay, mountain climbers are safe to use the strengthens their arms and legs to climb up the mountains. They use some ropes and wears special shoes and some safety equipment with them. Okay, so what is the benefit of doing this adventure sports? Is it works our upper and lower body as well as, okay, as a core, adding cardiac muscles, improves our cardiac muscle, strengthens our cardiac muscle. It improves our total body. It gives some exercise to our body, arms, shoulders. Okay, so first Roman, are you all clear? So moving to second Roman is choose a correct option. If we want to they giving some error. We have to find out the correct option. So first one, see, I want new bike or bike. What is the correct answer is bike or pike. That is one word only different. Here I and here Y. What is the answer is bike, B-I-K. This one is correct. Bike is wrong. Okay. Have you all seen the bike video? Have you all enjoyed? Okay. Second one is ice skating or ice skating is a fun adventure sports. It is a fun adventure sports only. So see the error. Which one is correct option? Here only one word. Here K, here C. Skating or skating? Skating or skating? Skating. This is right. This is wrong. Okay. So using this ice skating, in which people slide over a smooth ice surface on steel bladed skates. Okay, almost most people ice skates for recreations, exercise, skating, etc. What is the benefit of this ice skating? Means it's stress. It acts as stress management and improved balance and coordinator and weight management, and also it acts good joint flexibility. Okay, so third one, I want to try cycling or sailing. Only one word, Y or I. Cycling, cycle spelling is CYC. So correct answer is cycling. This one is wrong. See the cycling video. Have we all seen? So cycling. So cycling is a widely regarded as well as very effective and efficient mode of transportation. What is the benefit means? It improves our joint mobility. Okay, decrease body fatness and prevention or management of diseases. Next, fourth one, we need helmet to go rock climbing or climbing. Rock climbing or rock climbing. So which one is climbing? B, here I. Okay, so this one is correct and this one is wrong. Climbing. Climbing is correct. So rock climbing. Rock climbing is an activity in which participants climb up, down or across natural rock formats or artificial rock balls. Okay, the goal is to reach the summit of a formation or the end point of the predefined route without falling. Okay, this is a rock climbing. What is the benefit of this rock climbing? It strengthens our body, reduces stress level. Okay, next. Fifth one, I need a boat to go sailing or sealing. So sailing or sealing, here E, here A. This one is. So what is the spelling of sailing? S-A-I-L-I-N-G. So sailing is correct. Sealing is wrong. Okay. So sailing. It employs the wind acting on sails, living sails or kites to propel a craft on a surface of the water. Okay, what is the benefit of this? Sailing means flexibility and agility. It improves our hand and eye coordinator and it improves overall activity in our body. Okay, so clear. Second one is over. And then third C is rearrange the words. Rearrange the word is mismatch or reassemble. We have to arrange in correct order. So first one is diving sky. You have to diving sky. Is it a correct word? No. So the answer is skydiving. What is that? Skydiving. We have to arrange in a correct word. Skydiving. What is the correct word is skydiving. What is that? Correct word is skydiving. So skydiving is like a parachuting form, okay, an aeroplane for fun through the air prior to opening a parachute-like model is skydiving, okay. This improves, what is the benefit of this means? This improves our mood, tunes our situational awareness, we will sleep better, improves our impulsive reactions, okay. So second one, what is this? Biking mountain. Is it correct? No. The answer is mountain biking.
Sorry, just coming up on your left. Thanks.
So the answer is mountain biking. Have you all enjoying seeing this video? So mountain biking means it is adventure sports, riding bicycles off roads, often over through terrain using especially designed for through mountains. So the name is mountain biking. Okay, what is the benefit means? It enhances the durability and durability of our healthness, improve our health level, stress level, reduce the stress level, increase brain power and improve balance and a good coordinator to our body. So third one is SKNGII. This means from this thing sheet you can easily find out the what is the spelling of this word is. Anybody? Very good. Skiing. Okay, skiing. So what is it? Adventure sport is skiing. So skiing is adventure sports to glide on snow. Okay, variations of purpose include basic transport and recreational activity or a competitive winter sports. Okay, it is recognized by Olympic Committee. Okay, what is the benefit of this skiing means? Burns calories. Okay, it is a great cardiovascular exercise and also improves our flexibility in our body. And then fourth one is, have we all known this? Definitely all known this. What is the correct rearrange word means? What is the correct word here? Boarding skate. The correct is skateboarding. In the assembly also we all some boys are doing no skateboarding. It is one adventure sports only. It is an action sport. Okay, that involves riding and performing tricks using a skateboard. It is like an entertainment or mode of transportations. So benefit of this skateboarding is flexibility, pain tolerance. It gives more pain tolerance, power and stress relief and physical endurance, like that, etc. Okay, so fifth one is Earring Mountain. What is the correct answer is Very good. Mountaineering. So what is the correct answer is mountaineering. It is a set of activities that involves outdoor climbing, skiing and traversing via ferratus. Okay, the most what is the benefit means the most obvious benefits are improving both your physical fitness as well as your cardiovascular fitness. Okay, and also it reduces our body fat through the aerobic exercise. So last one is kitting sand. So answer is what? Anybody? Good. Sand kitting. So what is the answer is sand kitting. It is a very less expensive kiteboarder harness the power of the wind with a large controllable power to be propelled across the land. It is adventure sports through sand. Okay, like kiting model. In kite model, okay, what is the benefit means stress relief and increase immune system. It tones the body, especially the upper area, arms and abdomen. Okay, clear? So this is our today's thing sheet. We all enjoyed, I think so. Videos and all, you are all enjoyed. Now it's a question time. Okay, so first question I'm going to ask is, what is our today's topic? Okay, what's our today's topic? Very good, adventure sports. So second one, from all these adventure sports, which adventure sports do you like the most? Okay, from all this, which is you like the most? Very good. I also like that. My favorite adventure sport is cycling. Okay. So third one, what is the spelling of rafting? What is the spelling of rafting? R-A-F-T-I-N-G. Okay. So fourth one, in which adventure sports we can see a shark, lot of fishes? In which adventure sports we can see shark, lot of fishes, many fishes types, not only fishes, tortoise, many in underwater sea? Very good. What is that? Scuba diving. Very good, Rachalams. Okay. So I hope you are all enjoying this class about the adventure sports. I think so you are all very much excited and become enthu by seeing all this pictures, thing sheet and all the videos of the adventure sports. Okay, everybody happy? Okay da. Stay home, stay happy, stay blessed. Okay, bye dears. Thank you and wishing you all. Thank you.